Option chain is a useful tool used by the most powerful traders around the world. To open the option chain, click on search, enter the name for the instrument. For example, we use Nifty here. Select the instrument and click on chain. As you can see, there are many sub-features inside the option chain and there are a lot of details. We are here to explain. You will see 5 columns in the chain. The middle column consists the strike prices for the contract. On the left hand side of the chain, you will see details about the call options, and on the right hand side, you will see details for the put option. For any given strike price, there are 2 cells on each side showing details of the contract, which includes LTP and percent change in the price OI, that is open interest of that particular contract, and just below that you will see days change in OI. When you open the option chain, by default it shows details for 21 strikes, that is ATM option, 10 strikes above ATM strike and 10 strikes below ATM strike. On the right side in the options bar, you can see a drop down menu for the expiry. Click on the drop down to select the expiry for the option chain. By clicking on all, the chain will be extended to display all the available strike prices, including deep, ITM, and OTM strikes. By turning on Greeks, we can see the Greeks such as Delta, Vega, Gamma, etc. If you want a graphical representation of what is shown in option chain, then click on graphs, which will give you all necessary details in the form of bar graphs. From here, you can visually analyze open interest, change in OI and OI percentage. Now you see how easy it is. If you feel that some of the terms used here are too complicated or want to learn more, then we recommend you to visit FinSchool by 5paisa to get started. Log in the app to try it now.